Doing business today is just about as tough as any of us remember. You're not alone if your company is feeling the pinch from all sides. Suppliers are raising prices, clients are demanding lower costs, and foreign competition is whittling away at nearly everyone's bottom line. Customers don't seem to be showing the loyalty we once took for granted. So to stay profitable today, you have to do more than just compete. You have to make sure you win. Once you've made all the cutbacks you think your company can take, it could be time to take a close, hard look at MFI International, Inc. in El Paso, Texas. Because MFI can give you the competitive edge you need with the experience in contract assembly and sewing that can help you win. You might have heard about the extraordinary industrial growth along the U.S.-Mexico border over the past several years. Hundreds of top U.S. manufacturers have already taken the competitive advantage that this twin plant industry offers. An advantage that solves many of the logistical and cost control problems associated with the Caribbean and the Pacific Rim. With a U.S. plant housing managerial talent and specialized manufacturing processes, and its twin plant, a maquila operation in Mexico, you get the best of two worlds: offshore pricing with U.S. convenience. MFI has been providing these offshore benefits right next door to familiar companies such as Tandy, Century, Wilson, Bite, Pan American, Weber, Motorola, Hewlett-Packard, to name a few. They even produce high-fashion handbags for the well-known French firm, Care-Do. These companies have used MFI to gain a substantial competitive edge. You might also be aware of the worldwide recognition the Mexican labor force has gained. You know, it's not unlike Japan's workforce coming of age in the 70s. Mexican manufacturers are now producing sophisticated components and consumer products. This makes it possible for MFI to respond quickly to product improvements and schedule changes, all at a far lower cost than you probably now pay. And MFI adds flexibility to your project by giving you the technical support you need. Engineers, designers, quality assurance personnel. You have the freedom to choose how much or how little involvement your company wants to have. El Paso is a straight shot from Los Angeles, through Phoenix, and on to Houston via I-10. This makes the city a prime connecting point for many trucking companies. Add El Paso's extensive air transport and rail connections, and same-day shipping becomes a reality. As for doing business in Mexico, our two nations have stepped closer to free trade, bringing many restrictions and barriers down. MFI shelters you from any inconveniences by handling all customs, quota, and import-export requirements. MFI International is versatile. It's a company that can set up and produce virtually any sewn or light assembly product. The U.S. side has knife and die cutting equipment for light to heavy fabrics and vinyl. A computer-controlled 8-color silk screener handles high-volume production with accurate color registration. And specialized sewing and assembly lines produce lower volume and quota-sensitive products. In their Mexican plant, MFI executes sewing, light assembly, and packaging processes. In-house quality control includes an online computer system backed with a work-in-process system, plus hands-on experience in many different product areas. If your company sends people down to El Paso to supervise, they'll find it easy to get in and out of the city, with up to 200 daily non-stops to and from U.S. destinations each day. El Paso's dry climate will be a welcome sight with over 300 days of sunshine a year, perfect for most types of manufacturing and quality of life. El Paso offers a wealth of recreational opportunities, adding to its other benefits: moderate living costs, good schools, including a university and a community college, and lots of room. El Paso is a modern, sprawling city with all the advantages you might expect, and a few that may surprise you. So when your company needs a better way to compete, take a look at the benefits of doing business with MFI. You're going to see a significant improvement in costs, and your sometimes difficult client is going to see you as the company that not only competes, but comes through.